would be just a simple movement that you'd use in Aikido?
So in Aikido, we...
Okay, so the lifting and then hitting down, okay?
Yeah.
So tune into your fascia, make sure you're connected, so it doesn't look like you're connected through the hips and the legs. It looks like the back is tight to me, so I don't know, I haven't touched it, I'm just looking at the system. Yeah, and then connect down into the tips of fingers. Just make sure that the fascia is there for the whole body. Okay, that feeling whilst doing all your movements. So you lift up and you keep that feeling. Yeah. And then if you're going to chop, I'm guessing you're coming, yeah, there you go. And keep that fascia feeling, whole body. Yeah, there you go. It's much better. Keep that fascia feeling and start to extend out into this hand to lift the hand up. That's muscle. So imagine the fascia radiates out.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
That's better. Okay? So release and relax and radiate out. Yeah. That's it. That's it. There we go. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. The reason I'm getting pushed back is not because of your superpowers. It's because I'm just pressing down into your feet and allowing you a constant force so that you can experiment. If you use muscle, it's just not going to work. Don't use muscle because we're not training that. But it just won't work. The way I'm standing.
Yeah.
But if you use fascia, because it's like I'm pushing down on a trampoline, and that trampoline is moving. Yeah. So of course I'm going to get bounced back. Trust the fascia. That's it. And keep going. You can speed it up. Just trust the fascia. That's it. Okay? So now you can do it a little bit faster. So this should feel like the whole body is part of this movement. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Yeah. You see the difference? So if I use muscle, you feel there's all that tension just build up here, and there's no power in it at all. So I tune into the fascia. Yeah, and straight away, you're pressing down on a trampoline, so press down nice and hard as you can. Keep pressing down, push really, 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 really hard. I just keep radiating out and releasing, and then I send the fascia through.
Right.
Yeah, there's no energy. There's not energetics at all. There's just connected body tissue. When the whole body is connected into the fascia, you feel the whole body. Yeah. So when I press here, you feel it press. So it's getting stuck on your lower back. Yeah? So you can probably feel it in the top half of your body. Yeah? You press, every part of your body feels this little bit of a pressure. Now sink that down into the feet and down to the toes. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. You see how you feel it on the whole body? It's like a spider web. You know, you press in one point of that spider web, the whole web feels that pressure. There. Now do it. Yeah, that's it. That's better. One more time. Okay, cool. Now do your Aikido way of doing it. Aikido. Do Aikido. So notice the shoulders go up. As soon as I say the word Aikido, this happens. It's like, you do it like this. Yeah? So you've got a center of gravity around tension. You want to tune the fascia. Yeah.
So then I have to relearn all these movements.
But it's not much of a relearning. It's a shift in mentality.
Right.
You want to shift your mentality into this. I want to feel the fascia in everything I do. When I sit, I want to feel my fascia. When I read a book, I want to feel my fascia. You just get tuned into that feeling, start to trust it. But then you need to put it under pressure. Because if you're using it for Aikido, as soon as someone comes in to do something, you're going to revert back to your old center of gravity because that's got a stronger center of gravity there because of all the development than the new center of gravity of using the fascia. So you have to relax that shoulder, tune into the fascia, radiate out, connect the whole body. There we go.
So and then the whole thing, and the movement works that I have to stay connected. Now I'm doing the art.
Yeah.
So over here again, this connection I have to feel throughout my body.
Yeah, and if you're pulling in, then you're pulling your fascia in, not the muscle. That's shoulders. pull the whole of that biotensegrity, the whole of that web needs to shorten. That's better.
Right.
Yeah. So it's here.
This is muscle.
Yeah.
So then I just feel this connection throughout the whole body.
That's better. Yeah.
Okay. So this feeling. See, now I know. See, yeah. So getting that feeling inside the whole body.
Yeah.
Amen?
So that's now you're just using momentum. It's not fascia.
Right.
Because at the moment it's just connecting to here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
connect the fascia, the whole of the fascia, and then so you feel the pull in the whole body, right? You
Right,
feel that
right.
elasticity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now just pull the entire elasticity closer together. There we go. So feel the elasticity first.
Right.
Yeah. So it's currently still in the shoulders. Connect your trunk, lower back, legs, open the hips. Okay, now there's an elasticity. I can feel that affecting me. Okay, you can feel when I pull in, you see your legs are moving. It's connected. So now just find that elastic and pull every part of that tight.
Ah.
Very good. Very good. That was the best. That was the best one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I have to remember that feeling
Yes.
of that elastic pull
Yeah.
all the time in
That's
all movements.
Yes.
So now this was an elastic pull, right?
Yep.
There's a pulling feeling.
Yep.
That the rubber inside of me is getting pulled.
Exactly. Now I feel like I'm pressing on a trampoline.
Right.
That's the feeling. So as a training partner, that's the feeling I'm looking for. That I'm not trying to add more force. I'm trying to help you learn and tune this feeling, and it should feel like I'm pressing onto a trampoline,
Right.
and that with that hasn't got any like blocks on it.
Right.
So now you radiate out. Yeah, that's it.